Go.
Okay folks, today I'm going to show you around my 1978 Datsun 510 wagon. As I told you in the other video, this came from a one family owned situation here in Santa Cruz. It was sold new at Santa Cruz Datsun, and it's lived here its whole life. It's got, at this point, 104,154 miles on it as of this video. And you can hear the key buzzer still works. Everything still works. The clock works. It all works. Let me show you under the hood here first, I guess. We'll pop the hood. So again, very clean and original. All original paint under the hood and everything. The original paint on the whole car shines really nicely. It was maintained by a company in Santa Cruz called Bobby's Pit Stop, and I have a number of receipts from them from things done over the years. Runs nice and smooth. Again, everything functions. It runs, stops, starts, everything just as it should. All of the original California emission stuff is still on the car. It just passed California smog and comes with a clean California smog certificate. We can walk you around here, show you inside everything. Here's the major wear on the interior is here to the driver's seat. The back seat is really clean. It also, well, I'll show you through the back here, but it also folds down. So here's the back of the car, plenty of space. Seat folds down for even more space. What else can I show you? There's a dent in the bumper right here, where this taillight lens has a crack in it, as well as a small dent right here, which probably happened at the same time as the taillight. The windshield, as I said earlier, is the major flaw. I'm sure you could find one. The stainless around the windshield is also dented, so a shelf fell on the car right here when it was in the garage of the estate. So there's also a dent right here on this fender, which is nothing to write home about, but it exists. The right front plastic bumper filler is missing, and the hubcaps are missing. So I decided to leave it as it is, just because a lot of people like to take the front bumper completely off of the car or put a earlier model one on it that doesn't stick out, because there's shock absorbers on this bumper, which was part of the safety back then. And so if you take that off, it makes the car look even older than it is, which a lot of guys are going for. Again, let me show you the interior on this side. Again, if you look at the door jambs, the paint, everything is just really nice. It's a really clean original car. It still has the original owner's manual, and again, I have paperwork from the dealer and all that as well. But just a really original car that, again, has not been toyed with or messed with. It's a time capsule. So anyhow, if you've been looking for an original Datsun 510 wagon, this could very well be it. It's an awesome shape as it is, and with some small detail things, it could be even nicer. Again, yeah, here's the little tear on the door panel. So really, if you clean the schmutz off of it and glued it back in place, you probably can make it virtually disappear, but I like to be as transparent as possible. It even has still the California emissions decal here on the back window. You can make that out. Just an awesome car, guys. I bought this car probably 6 or 8 months ago, just on a whim. And the next day, I drove to Southern California, which is about a 7 or 8 hour drive, down to Pasadena to watch a AC/DC concert, and it did not skip a beat. It did awesome. It got like 30 some miles to the gallon, and just a really fun car to drive and own in general. It gets thumbs up everywhere you go, and always someone looking to have a conversation about it. Here's the oil change decals I was talking about. So this one is from 1993, and the car had 70,000 miles at that point, and then there's more behind it. I don't really want to peel it, but it'll definitely, and you can see it's in Capitola, California, which is right down the road. That's where the estate was. Anyhow, guys, if you've been looking for an original Datsun wagon, don't miss this one. They rarely come up for sale like this anymore. Thanks.